If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Our bundle this week is the Ivory Taupe Balance. That's the Ivory Taupe Balance. Okay, our first piece is an upholstery piece. This has a little bit of chenille in it. I'm going to put it a little closer so you can see there you can see it pretty good there. It's a taupe color with a ivory colored raised chenille fabric. It is a woven. There is no coating on the back. Okay, let you see the thickness of it. There you go. Another close-up of that. It's a really nice fabric. Now I know a lot of you are wondering, can I use a hand needle on that, and how hard is it going to be to use that? So let's get a piece of thread here. Okay, so I have some embroidery floss, and this is a size 7 hand sewing needle, steel needle. So we're going to go ahead and see what the resistance is of this. Okay, so that's one stitch. Now let's do a few stitches here and see how that goes through. Oops, there. So it's a little bit of resistance, but it's not too bad. So for anybody who's wondering, yes, you can hand sew embroidery fabric. Okay, so that's our first piece. Our next piece, this is a silk shantung. It's not metallic, but the sheen in it at different angles, it gives it more of an iridescence, I would say, than a metallic look. Okay, so I'm going to get a few angles of that so you can see how the light bounces off of that. And this one is actually has a knit lining on the back. So, you know, they only do that with the good silk. So this is a really nice piece here. Okay, that's our second piece. This one is, I'm trying to remember, I know it's cotton, but I think it may be cotton and hemp. But nevertheless, it's a woven basket weave pattern. It's a nice heavy piece, but it's soft. And it's kind of got it has a brushed look when you see here. Just a slight brush look, but you can really still see the distinct weave. There, that's a good angle. Okay. So it's either 100% cotton or a mix of cotton hemp, but it is an all natural fiber and can be used on either side. Let me see here. There you go. All right. That's how thick. Okay, this is a chenille piece. Now this has a really flowy hand to it, as you can see. And this one is actually reversible. So what you see on the front, you also see on the back. I like this. It's very soft. I mean, very, very soft. Okay. And our last piece is kind of like adobe weave. This is an ivory color, and you can see the detail of that weave. I like that detail. The texture is really nice. This also has a knit backing on it, so that's going to hold the fibers in the front together really well, and you know that's a good piece of fabric. Let's do the this is a lightweight upholstery fabric. Let's go ahead and do the needle test on this one too. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, that's real easy. So yeah, this one is a good one for hand sewing also. Okay, and once again, that's our Ivory Taupe Balance. Okay, Ivory Taupe Balance. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.